Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we'll show you how to remove a hood on a Hyundai Sonata. Okay, that will be the generation. It should cover the generation from 2005 all the way until 2010. So stay with us, guys. We need to remove that thing to paint it. We have many videos on our channel, World Mechanics as well, which is growing crazy fast. Check it out, guys. We have amazing build and fun projects there. So it's not very complicated once you know what to do. We need to go ahead and open the hood now. And we're a little bit slow today for some reason.
There you go.
Okay, now we open the hood. Okay, and you need two people for that job. One person will be almost impossible to do it. So we need to disconnect the line for the washer nozzles. Okay, so if we use a prying tool, okay, you can pop those out of there. Okay, like that. And now we need to disconnect it there. There is one place where it disconnects. It's pretty tight. Okay, but it's just a hole, so you'll be able to pull it out eventually. Just careful not to break the plastic nozzle, because those are very fragile, they're very thin. Okay, just like that. Now we can pull it out of there, just like that. Then we need to remove the shock holding the hood, so you need to pull that metal piece, careful not to pop out. Okay, just like that, and you pull it. And you need to be holding it because it's getting heavy now. Now with a 12mm socket or wrench, guys, you need to get those bolts loose, and those are pretty tight. Okay, they shouldn't be that tight. Don't know what's happening there. Okay, now one more on the bottom. Okay. And we have two more on this side right here that we need to do the same thing. Okay, one is loose already now. We have one more here. Okay, got the second one loose, and now we need to start removing the bolts. You need to hold the hood, it's super heavy, and on the back side not to fall on the windshield. Okay, so once you remove the second bolt, it's gonna drop. Okay, like that. And two more here. Okay, and now we can go ahead and pull it out. Cameraman is a little bit busy, not paying attention. Okay, guys, and this is the hood. That's how you... So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.